Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove InShot Watermark on iPhone for free. InShot is actually free on iOS, but when you export your videos, you will have the InShot logo on your videos. If you want to remove this watermark for free, you can actually do that, but not everybody know about it. So if you want to remove the InShot Watermark, what you have to do is to click on the X button at the top right corner of the watermark. You're going to see an option to go pro or watch an ad to remove the watermark. So if you want to remove this watermark for free, you have to watch an ad. I'm going to do that right now. It's going to load maybe 2 or 3 ads for you. In my case here, it is 2 ads. So I'm going to watch the first one. So I have watched the 2 ads and reward is granted. Now click on the X button at the top left corner. As you can see right here, the watermark is now gone. So when I export my video, there won't be any watermark. Anyway, that's how to remove the InShot watermark on your videos. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.